Hello guys, good morning. So it's about, what time is it? Like 6:30 a.m. We're about to PMS this car, guys. So it's PMS day today. So I'm gonna PMS Andrea's mom's car, Tita Emmy. Actually both cars. This is her car that she drives and this is her van, the Grandia Elite that she uses pag mga out of town. So PMS natin yan. Ito rin. So we're not gonna go to Casa, guys. I found a shop that charges way less for the same job, guys. It's in Santa Rosa. Somewhere in Santa Rosa in a compound there. It's called Silverstern. Hopefully I pronounced it right. They have in Pasig and in Santa Rosa, and you have to basically book your appointment online. It's a by appointment lang. You can't just show up. And you guys, we're gonna change oil, filters, and yeah, clean the brakes and stuff like that. That's about it. Kasi ang mileage lang nito, guys, is 3,281, so very low. And when we went to the Casa, the first PMS of this was in Alabang, VW Alabang. Actually, they share with Kia yata. And the second PMS, guys, they were charging quite expensive. To be like, I think mga 13,000 something. But in Silverstern, it's around 8,000. So sayang rin yun, diba? 5,000 for the same job, guys. And I could see what they put, what oil they put. Kasi sometimes sa Casa, hindi mo naman nakikita yun eh. They also do the resets. Kasi may mga resets to, diba? On like cars like the Ford, the Mazda, diba? May reset yan online. So we're gonna go there. Then after this PMS is done, that's why I'm early, because my appointment's 8:30, but they said 20 minutes before, so 8:10. I know it's early, but alam mo naman, traffic's unpredictable kahit mag-skyway pa tayo. Then this one later in the afternoon. And I need to change the tint of the back. Kasi ito, guys. Ayan o. Nag-bubble siya. So, let's go to Santa Rosa muna. Let's go! Okay guys, umabot naman tayo. Kala ko di ta aabot kanina. It was red. So I put 1,000. So it's like basically a little over half a tank. So I'm happy. Woo! Lapit na. Buti na lang malapit lang gas station. So let's go to Santa Rosa and let's check this shop out, Silverstern. And tignan natin yung facilities nila. It's in a compound ang Silverstern, so parang nagtataka pa yung guard yata. Pero yeah, we're here na. It took us from Magallanes, took us 40 minutes. Wala naman traffic kasi aga pa. So it's in like a compound. Looks like a warehouse, parang mga warehouse and trucks. Yan. So tingnan natin. Oh, okay naman, guys. So, diba? If you have a VW and you're trying to, you know, like it's out of warranty and you're trying to save, I think okay to. Pero I'm not sure. Tingnan natin. Saan ba yung Silverstern? Silverstern, where are you? Ito na, guys. Pinakadulo, kakanan ka. And, kasi parang walang sign eh. So anyway, ayun, Silverstern. Finally. And guys, while we're waiting, ayun o. Oil change, inspection, service due. Tapos lumabas to. So kulang lang sa air. I think Tita Emmy, kasi only uses this around Makati area lang. So sobrang lapit lang from their house. So all of them, Andrea, my girlfriend, Andrea's mom, Tita Emmy, and the brothers, they're all in Palawan now. So I basically told them, ako na bahala sa car ni Tita Emmy. Actually, her van and itong T-Cross, guys. Kasi wala naman akong ginagawa. I'm just here in Manila. While they're in Palawan, I'll be the one to service naman. And I like doing it naman, guys. Just like I service my own cars. So, we found the place, Silverstern, dito sa Santa Rosa. And this one in Pasig, it's cheaper talaga guys. Mga 5,000 rin yun. Medyo mahal kasi yung, of course, you know how casa is. The prices can be quite, expensive compared to other shops. But the good thing with Silverstern, they specialize in VW cars, which I like. Just like with Mazda, yung Monworks, they specialize in Mazda cars. Then there's Dunamis and Ranger Republic that specializes in Ford. Ito naman, Silverstern specializes in Volkswagen. So if you have the Jetta, Polo, Touareg, Tiguan, of course the new cars like now, T-Cross, Santana, those type of models, they do cater. And it's cheaper, which is great. So this is the second PMS of this car. Yan guys, second. Ang baba ng mileage. So I'm sure the oil is still good, but of course, even if you don't drive the car and the oil just sits there, you really have to do the PMS. And the good thing, they reset also. I don't know how to reset with this car. I've seen in the internet, mga madali lang naman. But yeah, so I'm super early, 7:43. Appointment ko 8:30, but they said be earlier than 8:30. So I guess this is the first car that they're gonna PMS. So yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Guys, so ganda ng, even their lounge is nice, oh. And the service tech kanina was really nice. They checked out everything, explained to me their parang history ng company nila. Galing. Amsoil. Ravenol, yeah. Parang, I think that's what they're gonna use. You could also use liquid moly. Some batteries. Oh, may mapuan pa. Nice place. Hey guys, so magtataka kayo bakit nakabalot na plastic, oh. Guys, they're so thorough. Ang galing sila, Silverstern. This shop is really good, efficient. Took us 1 hour lang, guys. Pero even before the change oil, they really did a thorough check of the car, which I do appreciate. Just to check everything. Galing, oh. Binalutan talaga nila. Pero tanggalin ko kasi madulas. Anyway, everything's okay. Though they changed the oil. 4 liters oil filter, cabin filter for the aircon. Air filter was still clean kasi nga low mileage car. Actually yun, that's it. That is the PMS that they did, regular PMS. But I do appreciate that they gave basically a lot of feedback about the car. The battery, there's a complete checklist. Tires, stuff like that. May magasgas, of course. Sinasabi nila, even the brake pads, and that's kasama na sa service. So all in all, it's 8,530 pesos, guys. That's not bad because in casa for the same job was 13 plus, so more or less 5,000, guys, difference. Which 5,000 is 5,000, guys. Sayang rin yun. Tapos the oil they use is the first time I'm actually yung guys, the oil that they use is Ravenol. Rapsinol ako ng Rapsinol, guys. Hindi ko na what the hell is Rapsinol, but Ravenol. So yan, that's actually good oil, diba? Also liquid moly is good. Then they have oil, I think AMS oil or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna turn left here. And this is another way back. Ayan. The T-Cross is sarap i-drive. Kasi I rarely drive it. It's not my car. It's Tita Emmy's car. And she likes it. And I get why. Kasi comfortable siya. It's not the fastest, guys. Obviously, kasi naturally aspirated 1.5 liter. Pero it's good enough, to be honest with you. You really don't, with this type of car naman, you're it's a city type of car, you just wanna bring it to the supermarket, to the mall, roomy enough sa likod. Yun, maganda, may panoramic roof, diba? Matipid naman sa gas. Easy maintenance lang naman on the car. Because of the small displacement also. And also the car itself, it's not a big car. So, pero yun ang uso na yun, especially for women that don't like big SUVs. This is perfect, easy to park. So we're gonna go back to Makati and we're gonna change oil naman di Grandia. Medyo naantok na ako, pero okay lang guys. I wanna finish it, sayang yung day tapusin na natin para when Andrea and Tita Emmy come home, tapos na yung dalawang kotse nila, diba? And they don't have to worry about it, and I'm glad to do it for them naman. Yan, okay, see you in a bit. Okay, start the van. Grandia, the most, I think all Filipinos love this van. It's big, it's comfortable, it's Toyota, diba? This, the Carnival, yung Staria. Yeah. You know guys, for such an expensive van, this car is like 3.3 brand new. Look at the backup camera at that time. Then I think in-update na nila and the stereo, but look at how tiny. I don't know. Kawawa naman for 3.3 million. You're gonna spend that much. So anyway, we're gonna go PMS this. I have all the oil for this car. So tapos na yung Volkswagen. Ngayon, ito naman. So pagdating the mom of Andrea, Tita Emmy, at least her cars are done already. They're in Palawan now and just enjoying their trip there. Ako naman, I stayed. I had to do some stuff with my dad for business at the same time. Yeah, I volunteered kasi total, ano naman ako, sanay ako mag-PMS mga kotse. Sanay ako to do things for the car. You know, what needs to be done, and I'm okay with it. And of course, it's my Tita Emmy and Andrea's mom, of course, diba? Andrea's mom. So, you know, 33,000 kilometers. Baba pa. So, well, di mo mababa. 2023 to so parang nangyari 16,500 kilometers a year. So, gamit siya, but hindi sobrang gamit. Diba? But I love this van, guys. It's so easy to drive. It's big, but it doesn't feel big. Ano lang, weird lang because, diba, the hood of these vans are so short. Sometimes iniisip ko na, is it safe pag, you know, when it comes to, you know, crashes? Kasi, di ba, sanay ako sa big hoods sa cars in the front. This one, wala. But it's nice because it's captain seats all through. This is the Grandia Elite. So, okay siya. Of course, ang ano lang, disappointing lang, walang ka-safety. Oh! Oh my God. That guy just wanted to U-turn without signaling nothing. He stopped on the side of the road. So, sad lang. But anyway, we're gonna go sa Evangelista. PMS lang tayo. Basic lang. Air, cabin, 8 liters of Toyota oil, 5W30, fully synthetic. And that's it. And I already added the diesel fuel injector to this. Pa-full tank. And nag-add na tayo ng diesel fuel injector to this. The last PMS had that, so I did that as well. And yeah, that's about it. And maybe in the future we'll replace the front shocks kasi parang feeling ko there's a little bit too much play for it. Malapit lang naman tayo sa Evangelista. And it's a Saturday, so less traffic. Pag weekday, guys, grabe, diba? Alam mo naman sa Manila, traffic is terrible. But now, Saturday's good. Okay, Sunday's perfect. Yeah. So I'll see you in the shop. Let's do our PMS. Okay guys, as Evangelista na tayo, try to look for a place to do our change oil. So basically we'll just pay for the labor, and that's it. But I'm not sure with the oil filter kung kakasya dito, but most likely meron naman sila. Kasi I got it sa online, and it's like a package with the oil kasama yung oil filter. But I just don't know if the one they gave me was the right one. Sometimes for Vios or Altis, so tignan natin. But because this is a Toyota and it's quite common, it'll be easy for us to get the oil filter for this car. Yan guys, dapat pabigay tayo. Pag nagsisignal naman yung mga tao, let them go. Diba? Okay guys, okay yung shop na to. It's along Evangelista. You'll see VinFast service. Sige. Anyway guys, like I was saying, okay yung service dito. Besides changing oil, after they change oil, they lift it up again to check kung may leaks. Which I love the service, 700 pesos lang. So you see VinFast service, it's right there in this shop. Evangelista to. And pinost ko naman yung address dun sa yan. And they even tighten your wheels guys, which is fantastic. Galing. Good service. Okay. Took us what? Parang 20 minutes? 20 minutes. Bilis. As long as you bring your own oil guys, makakamura ka guys. Okay, this one 7.5 liters of oil capacity, 5W30 Toyota, and spent parang with the oil filter na yan guys, parang 3.6 lang. So 8 liters yan, may sobra pa. Tapos yung air filter nasa 600 pesos. 560 pa nga actually. So how can you kasi sa casa guys, of course mas mahal talaga. You really don't have to to be honest, especially mga I don't know guys, casa siguro is because if it's still under warranty, which this car is for 1 more year, but to be honest, di na kailangan kasi alam ko naman wala namang mangyayari sa transmission or the engine of this car as long as you do the normal PMS, diba? So you save a lot of money guys. Oil filter, air filter, they clean it, replace the washer, and that's it, and you're good to go. You don't even need a reset. So 33,000, the next change oil would be dapat mga 40,000 kilometers. 33 to So 33.7 actually. So 40,000 ulit, palit ulit. Diba? Para lang, just to keep the engine running, smoothly and clean inside, diba? Always, kasi hindi naman mahal ang change oil guys So might as well do it as frequently, regardless if you use the car or not. Evangelista, there's people stopping, jeepneys, people crossing, and talaga, that's the Philippines. That's why I love it. It's so unique. You just have to be a defensive driver in this country. So anything, okay, may traffic. Hindi tayo magkakasya, hindi tayo kasya. Tingnan natin. Kung kasya yung jeep, kasya tayo. Anyway, this is the PMS for the Volkswagen and the Grandia. I hope you like this vlog. Just in case you wanna PMS your Toyota or whatever car, or yun, VW, especially kung may VW kayo tapos ayaw nyo sa kasa dahil mahal. Go to that shop that I told you. So take care guys. By the way guys, what I like to do, especially if I park it in the parking, I'll let the car run, especially galing change oil, and siguro for a few minutes, mga 1 to 2 minutes, re-reverse ko yung kotse, tignan ko kung dry yung ilalim, kung walang langis. Kung tubig lang yan, that's from the aircon. Just to make sure guys, na wala tayo ganun leak. But they did in that shop guys, the nice thing with them, they They lift it up again, make sure while the car is running na walang leaks. But ako, being always a skeptical type of person, and just to be sure, so I'll just check it, double check. Tignan natin. Wala ako guys. So, clean. Diba? That means wala na talagang leak. Running for like 5 minutes. Good.